mining this particular airdrop called the growth coin. I tell you, there's a new opportunity for you to make around 10 or 20 $30 thereabout extra next month. I kid you not. And if you're able to watch the particular video to the end, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know for you to be able to qualify for this particular bonuses that is coming up next month. Never forget that I did a particular video just of recent, which I shared with you for everyone that will be qualified to meet up with the withdrawal threshold. Do not forget that the first thing is that you have to have 7,000 mine coin. So if you haven't actually completed your 7,000 mine coin, you won't be qualified to actually for the withdrawal, and you just need to update your app, and that is one of the most important thing that the team has actually been talking about. So if you have updated your app, you will see that this particular wallet section now is now showing. So you can actually tap on this particular wallet section. You see all the amount the coin that you have actually mined and the amount you have actually earned from your referral. All these I've actually discussed in my previous video, which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video. And if you want to stay join, I tell you it's still early, but I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video if you want to join. And never forget that if I've actually meet up with this particular 7,000 token, so do not forget that you need to add your BEP20 when you come to this profile section here, and you tap on this particular section called tap to the profile update. You will see in my own now, you can see my BEP20 wallet address is here. This is the address and this is the BEP20 which you need to actually add for you. That is where the USDT will actually be sent to you. So let me quickly show you something if you have not been doing it. Don't forget, I've been sharing about this particular. This is another great alpha project called the NPRO. That is NPRO. They are actually distributing some of the particular token to everyone that is able to download this particular near mobile app. And you know, this is actually the native token that they will be bringing up at this coin will be listed at around January 15. So it is actually in phases, and currently I've been able to gather 110 points, and I'm currently in 6,774 points. So what you just need to do, I'll be dropping my video guide on how to get registered in the description of the particular video and the referral link, so that you'll be able to get extra bonus and be able to do all these tasks and start referring. The amount of people you're able to refer will actually skyrocket you to getting more points, and you'll be able to rank higher. I tell you, never joke with this particular airdrop, because already is sitting around 2 point something dollars, and this particular token now, when it will be listed, I tell you, it could be listed at the price of or way more higher than So let me go take you back to the opportunity I told you that is available. Looked at it. So this is from the growth network. They say this is the tax now. Sign up 35 direct referrals. That means those that actually use your direct link, and all member must mine at least a daily. All those 35 must mine at least 100 coin minimum on a daily basis. That's all the 35, and the duration started that which was yesterday, 27 August 2025. And if you have 30 down referrals that are able to mine 100 coin, that is about, let's say, they're able to mine 5 hours on every day, because per hour is 15 G coins. So when they're able to mine about 5 to 6, they'll be able to, so you'll be able to get this $20 cash reward. And the second one, which is the last, is for those of us that was unable, that if you're unable to get 35 referral, because not everybody that is an influencer. So what you need to do is to mine at least 50 G coin daily from 27th 2025 until 10th of September 2025, and you'll be able to get a $10 cash reward paid directly to your BEP20. I've actually showed you your BEP20, and if you haven't submitted it, try as much as possible to let me show you where you'll be able to check the coin you mine on a daily basis. I think so. When you log in on your app here, they have make it very simple and seamless. You'll come to this particular place called status activities. So you tap on it. So you could see now it will show you the amount of Gcoin you're able to mine on the daily basis. Like for yesterday now, you see I was able to mine 45. A day before that, 90, 165. So this is it. So this is where you will come, be able to see every amount of Gcoin that you're able to mine. So if this video was really helpful, Please kindly like, click on the bell notification so I can notify anytime we upload any other new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.